Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can verify identity on Wise. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So first things first, I'm going to let you know how does the verification on Wise works. So they usually verify your identity with some photo ID, proof of address, and or a picture of you holding your ID. So the ID verification actually depends on the amount you send, the currency you send, and how many transfer you have made. So according to that, your verification can depend on. So what type of documents do you need to verify on Wise? First thing, you need a valid ID, can be a passport, national ID card, or a photo driving license. Make sure you have one of these. And the next thing is a valid proof of address document, can be utility bills or a local tax system or vehicle registration or tax, anything that shows the proof of your address document. Once you have got that, then you also have to provide your selfie with your ID itself to confirm it is you who is using that. Then once you have provided all of the information in the Wise app itself, then you will need to wait for a while. And it takes within 1 working day, your verification can be successful and they will be notified. And if there is something wrong as well, once they have denied, make sure to recheck the documentation and you can again reapply for it. That's how you can verify on Wise. Hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.